We found a way for your power drill to help with tough scrubbing jobs. Drill brush fits on your drill to make cleaning up faster, easier, and even fun. The brush heads have varying bristle strengths that are color-coded to help you pick the right one for what you're scrubbing. For example, yellow heads are meant for jobs in the bathroom, like cleaning grout, and white heads have gentler bristles that work on carpet and upholstery. Whichever color you pick, it comes as a set with a flat and a round brush to give you better access to the surface you're working on. The round brush works great on corners and curved surfaces. Drill brush can do the job better than hand scrubbing, and it can help relieve strain from the repetitive motion of scrubbing too. Maker Tony LaPolla experienced repetitive strain injuries from hand scrubbing tires and wheels at his car wash. The prototype drill scrubber he made impressed his customers so much, he knew others would appreciate his more powerful cleaning solution.